welcome you all to today's video. In today's video, we'll be looking at $1,000 in 24 hours trading tips for boom and crash. Okay, we'll be looking at how we can make as much as $1,000 in 24 hours trading tips. Okay, while trading boom and crash. Okay, before going fully into this, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially in the forex niche. Okay, so take your time to browse through my channel, most especially if you are just coming into this channel or visiting the channel for the first time. Okay, take your time to browse through it and make sure you watch and understand everything highlighted in my videos, and also take your time to practice and perfect your skills before you dive into your real account with any of the strategies shared here. Okay, if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also, if you have any questions about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. And also, quickly, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, then you are missing a lot, because I usually do videos on different trading strategies that you can apply to your trading activities. Okay, so just do so right now. Check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification bell beside it and set it to all notification. That way you will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have for today. Okay, right now, like I put it here that $1,000 in 24 hours trading tips for boom and crash. Okay, it's going to be a trading tips, and the trading tips can take you throughout the day till tomorrow morning, so that you can milk the market successfully. But you achieving $1,000 depends on your trading capital and your lot size. Okay, capital, you might not achieve this, but you can get a slice of this. Okay, you can get a cut of this. Okay, but if you are having a good trading capital, then it is very easy for you to achieve this without any hiccups. Okay, so that is what we will be looking at in today's video. So quickly, let's go straight to the trading platform. We'll be picking each of the assets one after the other. You can see I target it as my tips for the day. So we'll be picking each of these assets one after the other. Then we analyze the market together. We look at our entry point and our exit point. We look at the trend, the direction of the market, so that you will know what you will focus on today. Okay, so I will be using the QDC scraper indicator to do my analysis here. Okay, so we are starting with boom 1000, and my chart is on 5 minutes. I'll be using 5 minutes and 15 minutes. It depends. Okay, right now it's on 5 minutes. As we can see, it's been on a short, it was on a short uptrend. You can see the trend right from here. It started from here and it's just ended not quite long. Okay, it ended here. Okay, you can see that if you follow it all through, then you will definitely milk the market successfully. But it got to this resistance level right here, came down a bit, went up to that resistance level, but was unable to break it again, came down again, went back up to the resistance level. This time around it is going down, and it will continue to go down for a while. Okay, so this is selling at the moment. So for boom for boom 1000, it is selling at the moment, and the trend is on downtrend already. So it is selling. It will sell for a very long time. But make sure you always do your analysis very well before you, each time you want to go back into it. Make sure you check out the trend. Okay, if the trend is still red and you are getting your sell signal, then definitely you can go in and trade. Okay, of course, because it is on downtrend does not mean that there won't be pullback once in a while. Of course there will be pullback, but right now it is on downtrend. Okay, so make sure you do your analysis very well before you jump into the trade. So for boom 1000, it is a sell. Okay, it is a sell for boom 1000, and it's going to sell for long. Okay, so you guys should look into it. Okay, and make sure you watch out for the pullback whenever it is happening. Okay, so that is very, very important. So let's check out what is happening with crash 1000. For crash 1000, I'm also using the QDC scraper indicator, and I'm on 15-minute time frame. Okay, so right here you can see the uptrend started from here. It started from here, and check it out, it went up for a very long time, and right, consolidated around here, still went back up, and tried to pull back a bit by coming down, but after getting to this support level, went back up, then came down to this support level, still went back up. Right now it is selling for a while. Okay, it is going to sell for a while, probably to this support level again, before it will go back to on uptrend, because it is still going to go back on uptrend, but selling for a while. Okay, so for crash 1000, it's going to sell for a while, then later on go back on buy trend. Okay, it's going to go back on buy trend because it is on uptrend at this particular point. You can see the green here, it is uptrend. So if you don't know how to trade the crashes, wait for it to crash for a while and wait for the buy signal. Once you see the buy signal, then you can go in and trade, because at that particular time it will be buying. Okay, so for crash 1000, majorly it is buying. Okay, this is the major trend. It is in a buy trend. It is a buy trend. That is the major trend, but it is pulling back for a while. That is why it is selling. So for those that want to sell, you can sell for a while, but once you see the buy arrow, you stay away from the market immediately, because it will be buying at that particular time. Okay, because it is definitely on uptrend. So let's check out what is happening with Boom 500, so that you guys will know what to look out for whenever you are trading. Okay, for Boom 500, of course, as we can see, it just ended the long downtrend. The downtrend started from here. That is why I always tell you, if you follow this indicator, then you will trade successfully. This trend started from right from here. Okay, it went down to this level, pull back up a bit. Like I told you, I've been saying this in my videos. Okay, there will always be pullback. The pullback can even take you down to your to almost your entry point, but that does not mean it's still not in the same direction or the same trend that it was coming from. Okay, just a pullback. That was just a pullback. So far the trend color is yet to change. Check out this pullback. It went for long. This is 15-minute time frame, but check it out, it came back and ended the trend right here. Okay, so that is how amazing this indicator is, and this is where the trend ended. As you can see, this is where it ended. So that is the way it works. So let's check out what is happening at the moment. Right now it is buying at the moment, and as we can see, it's trying to go back on uptrend. Okay, it's trying to go back on uptrend. So of course right here it is consolidating right here, because there is a strong resistance here, and also there is a strong support here. So whichever if it breaks out from the resistance level, then definitely the uptrend will continue, but if it breaks below it, then it might lead into downtrend. Okay, so right now it is consolidating. I will advise you to wait till it breaks out. Okay, wait for the breakout. Okay, that is what I'm going to put there. Wait for the breakout. Okay, wait for the breakout. If it breaks out, it's going to go for a very long time. Okay, that is how amazing that is. So let's check out what is happening with crash 500. For crash 500, I'm still using the QDC scraper indicator. So let me take it backward a bit so that we check out the history for you to see what has been going on before now. Okay, right here the markets came on downtrend just right here, and check it out. This is 15-minute time frame. Can you imagine being in the market all this while? Okay, can you imagine being in the market right from here? Okay, right from here, selling right from here. You can see that for a very long time, right? That is 122 candles. Okay, let's quickly do some calculations. 122 candles, and that's not even the end of the trend, but let me stop it there. 122 candles times that is 122 candles times 15 minutes, because it is on 15-minute time frame. So that is about 1830 minutes. Wow, 1830 minutes. Now divide by that by 60 to know the hours spent. That is 30 hours, more than a day. 30 hours. Okay, that is amazing, right? So that is how sweet this indicator is. Can you imagine right from here till this very level? It is cool, right? Okay, that was cool. That was cool. So that is just the way it works. Okay, so it has been on a very strong downtrend till this level, where it got to this support level, pull back up a bit, but came back to that same support level, but was unable to break it, and that is when it turned into uptrend right from there. Okay, it turned into uptrend right from there, so went back up a bit, then still came down because there is a resistance level here, so it's finding difficult to break. And like I always tell you, it is always difficult for you to break out from a very strong downtrend, or if the market was in a very strong uptrend, it is always difficult for you to break out from it also. So that is why it keeps coming down, but it is more of uptrend than downtrend. Okay, you can see that it is trying to move back up. Okay, so this might not go for long, but right now it is approaching this resistance level, so we are likely to experience some crash happening at the moment. So once it gets to this support level, we can come in again and buy and place a buy order. Okay, so what I would advise you to do is to wait for in between this. Okay, when it comes to this support level, you place a buy order. Once you see the buy arrow, you place a buy order. But once it gets to this resistance level, if you want to buy, wait for it to break this resistance level. Once it breaks it, then it will keep on buying till this level. Okay, so wait. I will also put it here as put it here that you should wait for the right opportunity to trade. Okay, like I always tell you, you don't force yourself to get the signal out. Okay, you don't force the signal out. You should wait for the signal to come out, okay, before you jump into the trade. Just because you've not been able to trade since morning does not mean you should force yourself to trade. Okay, so you should wait. You should be patient enough to wait. Okay, so if you are not patient enough right now, if you should come in and buy, you might say you just want to be there for 1 minute. Okay, you will be surprised that by the time it gets to 59 seconds, it's going to crash, and it's going to be a big crash. Okay, the reason is it is already around the resistance level, and if you should check from history, it got to this same resistance level. It was unable to break it. It has gotten there year before. It was unable to break it. It's unable to break it here. It's unable to break it here, and right now it is approaching there again. And you said and you are trying to go into the market, right? Then you are getting it wrong. So be patient enough to come into the market, or to place your order when it is right for you to place it. So when is it right for you to place it? Let's come to this support level and have a buy arrow signal, then you can come in and buy. Okay, but once it breaks this resistance level, then definitely it will keep on buying for long. Okay, it might want to get to this level. If it's unable to break this level, then it will pull back again. But if it is able to break it, then definitely it should get to this level. So if it breaks out from this region, then this is the next resistance level. Okay, it might find it difficult to break this because it has tested it twice, right here and also here, and it was unable to break it. So it's most likely it gets there again and finds it difficult to break again. Okay, so that is the way to go about it. So guys, I've given you guys tips on what to look out for in today's trading activities. So all you just need to do is just to play this video over and over again. Remember, I used 5 minutes and 15 minutes time frame to do my analysis here. Okay, can you imagine if you guys might be thinking if this is actually possible? Let's do the calculation. If you were able to if you were able to pick up a trade right from here, and okay, let's say you in the market to this level. Okay, this is, let's stop here, 72 candles. So that is 72 candles. times 15 minutes, because it's 15 minutes candles, I mean time frame, that this is the amount of minutes spent. So let's say you are earning 50 cents per minute, or 50 cents per minute. Now multiply it by 50 cents, that is zero point 0.5. Okay, that will be giving you $540. Okay, $540 just on a single asset. You can see that the possibility of you making up to $1,000 in the next 24 hours is possible, right? It is. Okay, it is possible, because if you have this set up on your 4 chart, then you can easily achieve it. That is if you are using a very good trading capital, if you are using a big trading capital. But for those that are not using a big trading capital, being able to grow your trading capital is something that is possible with that. Okay, even if it's $10 you are able to make at the end of the trading journey, or $20 or $30. Some people can even make $50, $100, depending on your trading capital, because your trading capital will determine the type of lot size you should use to trade using the tips I'm giving you in today's video. Okay, so you guys should take your time, study this video very well, so that you will understand the analysis given in this video and apply it in the right way while you are trading. Okay, but right now I will be stopping right now. In case you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so now? And do not forget to turn on the notification bell to all notification. Okay, that way you will be notified whenever I upload a new video like this. So watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.